As a developer, we write the code on the local machine and upload it into the cloud. Popularly, the cloud platform is GitHub. We use GitHub to upload the codes and files. So in order to do that, first we make a folder, and in that folder we write codes and upload some files. As a package, we upload it whole in the cloud. But here in the cloud, there has some repositories. Repositories, there are different repo that we can create. For example, for this whole code and files, I can say the repo1 as a repository. So now let us assume one circumstances that this file or this code has already been uploaded in the cloud, and assume one circumstances that this file or folder from my local machine got deleted. So in that case, what I can do is I can directly clone this repository to my local device or any other device that is authorized to me. In that case, what will happen is the code will get cloned in my local machine. The same file and folder structure will be available on my local machine. But in that case, I cannot do any changes and push until I follow some set of rules. So today, I will show you how you can simply recover the folder or simply clone the folder and again do the same process of pushing the changes into the cloud as you do before the folder got deleted. Here on my screen you can see two parts. One is cloud and another is local machine. And in local machine there is one repo folder, and in cloud there is one repository as repo1. So here in the repo1 you can see two files, that is index and readme, and here in the cloud also there are two files, that is index and readme file, right? So these two files are here as same as in the local. So whatever the changes that I made in the local is reflected in the cloud. So I will show you one demo that I will open this folder in VS Code. So here in the VS Code, I will first open the terminal, and now I will make some changes in my code. For example, I will add one paragraph over here. And when I save this, here you can see the change is detected, and here I have to commit and push it into the GitHub. I will write the command, that is git add, git commit and git push. So after doing this, I can simply see the changes that I have done in my local machine into the cloud. Here you can see the message has been displayed, and in the code you can see the changes. So what if the folder is deleted? So this is the problem that we are solving. So now I have deleted the folder, but the repo is as it is. So now let us make another folder for cloning this repo. For example, I will make repo1 backup. So this folder, I will use this folder so to commit, to push, so any other changes that I have made. So first of all, I will open the terminal on the VS Code for the empty folder here. So I will now clone that repository and I will perform git pull command. So git pull command is one of the very important command that we have to do whenever we are pulling our own repository to our local machine that we are authorized. If the VS Code is not authorized, you can sign in with your GitHub account and authorize it, and you can simply just add git pull command to your branch. If you are on the main branch, then you can add git pull origin main, then that is the code that you have to apply. So after this, you can see if any changes that I made from here in the local machine, then if I push it, it will be reflected in my cloud. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. Have a nice time ahead. Subscribe.